What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Facebook business page that isn't appearing in search results. If you can't find your page even after searching for its name, there are a few settings you should check. Let's go through them step by step. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Then sign in to the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're logged in, open the business page you want to fix. You can usually find it from the left sidebar or switching into your Facebook profile page. After opening your page, look for the settings option and click it. This is where you'll find the privacy and visibility settings that control how people discover your page. On the settings page, scroll down until you see audience and visibility. Under this section, click how people find and contact you. Here, you'll find one of the most important settings for search visibility. Look for the option labeled Allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. If this setting is turned off, search engines may not be able to index your page, making it more difficult for people to find it. If it is disabled, simply turn it on and save the change if prompted. Next, go back to the Settings menu and open Followers and Public Content. Review your country restriction and age restrictions. If your page is limited to specific countries or age, some people may not be able to find it in the search results, unless you have a specific reason to limit your audience. It's usually best to leave these restrictions disabled. It's also a good idea to make sure your page is published and that you've completed important information such as your business name, profile photo, category, description, and contact details. Pages with complete information are generally easier for users to identify and discover. Keep in mind that if your page is newly created or you've recently changed its name, Facebook may take some time to update its search index. In some cases, it can take several hours or even a few days before the page appears consistently in the search results. After making these changes, refresh your page and give Facebook some time to process the updates. And that's it. Those are some of the most common ways to improve your Facebook business page visibility in search. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.